Okay, hold that.
There you go. Ready?
Yep. God, I hate to do that. Probably gonna have to recut it.
I'll try that, you think, or no?
You can try it, but we'll probably have to recut it. Work.
That's all. Next, we gotta fix that cylinder. Find some dirt to move. It's a beach.
See, I think it's got an ear on this side, Tyler. It might be tacked in place. You know, must have to scrape over here to get a light in there. Whew. You know what? We should get a wrench and just see if those will come loose.
Yeah, boy, it's probably, it looks like 1 inch maybe. Inch and a quarter.
Here, let me go grab you some big tools.
Oh yeah, there's a tab on there. Okay.
It might be tacked in place.
Boy, I doubt it.
Well, the bolt's missing on that hole, so it's holding it in place.
Grease. Oil.
Two and a half inch.
Cow. Really? You need a pipe, don't you?
Here, let me get you that aluminum extension. There you go.
Holy cow.
Oh yeah, look at that. She broke loose. That's amazing.
There's no way.
What do you think? You're just gonna try and tap it out?
Yeah, there's no way.
You don't think there's a set screw in the middle or anything?
No.
You don't think it's welded?
No, I don't. Give it a tap.
Well,
You
I really
never know,
can't.
it might come out.
You might have. You gotta.
I don't really like my hand in there. Yeah, go ahead and give it a tap.
Right there.
Might
Can you
tap out,
see?
never
Yeah,
know.
I can see.
It did move.
Yeah, it's moving. It's moving.
I'll be darned.
Oh, watch it. There's weight. It moved.
Yeah.
The whole thing dropped.
What dropped?
The whole unit.
The cylinder?
Yeah, everything dropped.
I got the pin.
Oh, it came right out.
Yeah.
The big pin?
Yep.
Holy crap, look at that.
So we gotta rotate it up now, right?
No, you know, I think if we just push that out, that might go up and give us some.
What do you mean push it out?
Push the cylinder out. You don't think so? I'm saying just push that down. You know.
Yeah,
And then it'll go up. It might go up and take it down.
Maybe.
You know what? Why don't we get that out, and then if we gotta start it up and suck the cylinder back,
Oh, that's what we might
and then
have to
rock
do.
it back, we can. Oh, actually, that's how we get that out. We should just start it up and suck the cylinder
Suck the
back.
cylinder back.
Question is, will it start? Oh, that's an amazing engine.
Yeah. Yep, you're good.
Yep, keep going. She's gonna drop. There she goes.
Yeah, you can suck it all the way in.
All the way back. There you go. Look at that. Wow. No problem.
That's good.
I don't know if you can. Oh,
Yeah, hold on. Let me go in there.
Oh, there you go. Okay, let me slide it forward. Can you go more? A little bit more right there. That's good right there. That'll come right out of there then.
Got one more bolt to loosen.
Oh, did it rotate out of the way?
Oh,
Yeah, yep.
Oh, it
No,
did.
we're good.
Oh, it rotated out of
wow,
the
you
way
can get
for
the
him.
socket on it now?
Yep.
Oh my. I guess that's the key for that last bolt.
Right there.
That is so cool. Man, if you wrap a chain around that now, that should
Yeah.
you unhook them hoses, that should slide right out of there. You're gonna get a little drippage from the lines, but
Oh yeah.
I'm kind of shocked.
I'm shocked.
You guys were welding
If
this
I would've-
inside there
if
for
I-
all these years.
We were in such a hurry to use this thing that every time it started to crack, I just brought it in and piled more weld on it. It was always, come on, let's go. Come on. We had too much dirt to move.
Well, now we don't have any to move, so we'll fix it. And then we'll find some dirt to move.
Yeah. This should have been fixed in like 1987, 88.
Break loose?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It's like they used to make these things so you could work on them. Ooh. Hey, what are you guys doing? Huh? Riley. What the heck? See you guys. More. Yeah, keep going. And then you might want to come forward a little bit now. Keep going. Oh, that's it.
Try it?
Yeah, try it. Yeah, it's just going. Yep, there she is. Whoop, hold up, hold up. Down.
Uh-oh.
Ah, forward. Oh, you can't, huh?
Yeah.
Keep going down. All right. All right, now go up.
Strap not centered. You be all right?
Ah. Yeah, it's fine. I don't know. You can't really go up anymore, can you?
Yeah. I was clear everything?
Yeah, just keep going up.
And that one fitting on the bottom, you clear them?
Yeah. Can you go up more?
Yeah, is it centered? All right, the weight is it get
It might flip a little bit, but it's not gonna come off. Yeah, I got it.
all right, I'll back up.
Where's the little corner?
I'd get a shot. Put the snow blade on now.
You can bring it down some.
You gonna redo the strap?
No, just drop it down a little bit. Yeah, all right.
I'm not gonna make it.
Drop it down more. Yeah, you're good. Drop it down. Drop it down. Yes, I got it. This is quite a unit here. This is the cylinder that pushes the pan forward and opens the gate when you want to dump the dirt. And I believe back here it leaks, and then this cylinder is also bad too. I think one of the caps is cracked, and they welded it a bunch. They put a bunch of weld on it, and it needs to be redone. So they used to, every time they need to fix it, they would just weld it in there. Oh yeah, right here. This is all weld right here. So this has got to be fixed up, and then we need to rebuild it, put a new seal in the front. So that'll be a good job for another day. Call in some favors from some welders. We'll get this thing fixed up nice, throw it back in there. All right, guys. So that's it for today's video. Got it running. It's pretty solid right now, to be honest with you. Runs real good. You can see it pulls pretty hard. Engine fires right up. So really, we're gonna fix that cylinder up. We're gonna drop that in. That'll be the next video. We'll do a full rebuild on that cylinder. That'll be kind of fun. then we got to find some dirt to move. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. We'll talk to you guys next time.